Look at the size of that watch, man. That thing's huge. So I'm in Siam Paragon, one of the many luxury malls here in Bangkok, Thailand. Pardon my sniffles. And I'm walking towards the BTS train. A lot of beautiful jewels and luxury items. We got Rolex. Would you like to have a Rolex? Very expensive watches. I really don't know how these places stay in business. Like, how many people buy a Rolex or Tiffany jewelry? Louis Vuitton. And it's not like there's just one of these either. There's like many. Like, there's probably 5 or 6 malls that have Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton, and you know, they're not just keeping one location open in Bangkok, they're keeping 5 or 6 of them open. I don't know. Maybe it's just advertising. I don't get it. Maybe there's just a lot of rich people buying a lot of expensive stuff all the time that I'm not aware of. It never seems like there's many people in the stores. Dior. Chanel. But it's definitely a very nice environment to get some exercise in. It's air conditioned, nice and cool. These malls are huge. Miles and miles and miles of mall walking available. Oh, I hear some Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey, don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. No copyright. Copyright, copyright. Don't listen to Mariah Carey. Don't listen to Mariah Carey. Christmas is over. Why are they still playing Mariah Carey Christmas? Hasn't she got played enough? Prada, Balenciaga, Bobby Brown. You have an entrance with a little rope. You have to be let into the Balenciaga store. All right. I think this is the way out to the train. I'm about 2 or 3 stops down from Asok. Lots of people, lots and lots of people. I'm gonna take the train. just for convenience. I did walk all the way here. I didn't take the train here. Such a little rabbit card. Tappity tappity. I got about 10 bucks left on it. Might as well start using it. Give you a little sample, unedited, taking a train from Siam Paragon. And this is the Siam BTS stop, which has two different, let me see which way I need to go. Sukhumvit line. I need to go towards head off. It's right here. I need to be on this one right here. Pretty crowded. Might not get on the first one. It's about 4 o'clock. Here comes the train. Alright, it looks pretty packed. A lot of people getting off though. And crowd on. Crowd on. Full to the gills. Oh man. You can get in. There we go. Torn. Alright. Man. There's some BO kicking in there. And it wasn't mine. That's one thing about the trains, especially when they're packed. Get closed in a fine space next to a stinky nothing you could do. I got off on to stop early. Just walk the rest of the way. Probably stop and get a massage. Get a 2-hour massage. Oil massage for $24. Pretty good deal. They don't really give you a discount for a longer time either. Hours 12, 2 hours 24. Oh. This is one of the little more seedy massage places. I'm not going to this kind of place. They usually have some hot girls though. Hot girls, hot girls. And I'm going to a meetup later on Soy 8, which I believe is right here. Yep. Soy 8's pretty chill street because it's dead end, so there's not as much traffic. There's a little bar down there on the right. We're gonna have a meetup at. Lots of little bars, a lot of tailor shops. Massage. There was a lady sitting out here the other day, or looked like she had diabetes and her fingers and toes were falling off and foot was all swollen up. Pretty sad sight. And I asked her if she wanted anything from 7-Eleven. She couldn't understand any English. So I got out the translator app and asked her, and she's like, yes, I would like fried rice. So I went in the 7-Eleven. I got her 2 things of fried rice and some bottled green tea and some like Lay's potato chips that were like prawn flavored. That's what like Thai people seem to like. And she was very happy. So I made her day. It seems like she has a pretty hard life. And there's no like, she was an older lady, looked like 70s, maybe close to 80. And there's no Social Security here, so if you don't have family to help you out, you're just kind of thrown on the street, don't have anything, it could be rough. And it was only like $3 for that stuff. It totally made her day. And that's nothing to me. This is a little Koreatown. Koreatown. Want some Korean food? This is the Thai lottery. Another 7-Eleven. All right, well, that was a little walk through the mall, a little ride on a train with some stinkies, a little walk down the street. This is in between Nana and Asok. And that's all I got for you for this video. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later. Take it easy.